Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Awin commission link tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Awin commission link tracking, begin by logging into your Awin account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings section on the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the account settings option. Click on account settings to access your account preferences. Next, locate the link tracking section within the account settings. In the link tracking area, you will find options related to tracking commission links. To disable tracking, look for the toggle switch or checkbox labeled Enable Tracking. Switch the toggle to the off position or uncheck the box. After making this change, ensure that you save your settings. You should see a confirmation message indicating that link tracking has been disabled. Now, you can proceed to test your links to ensure they function without tracking. Open a new browser tab and generate a link from your Awin account. Paste the generated link into the address bar and press enter. Observe whether the link redirects correctly without tracking parameters. If the link redirects smoothly, you have successfully disabled commission link tracking. In case you want to re-enable tracking in the future, simply follow the same steps. Return to the link tracking section and flip the toggle back to the on position. Save your changes to activate tracking once again. Keep in mind that disabling tracking may affect your commission reporting. Be sure to monitor your account for any discrepancies after the change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.